Hi everyone, my name is Amir Rahyan and behind the camera is Amir Ramdan. So I want to explain about HIRARC. So what is HIRARC? HIRARC is HI is hazard identification, RA risk assessment, and lastly RC is risk control. This step to do HIRARC in workplace. First, identify hazard, which mean a potential to cause injury or harm to people. Second, to do risk assessment or analysis. The formula is severity multiple likelihood. Third is to eliminate or minimize the hazard in the workplace. So, this is a tooling workshop. At this place, it use CNC machine, drill machine, and other machine. So let we look at the machine that used to do work. So this is manual milling machine we use to cut and drill material that we want to make a product. Can you observe what the hazard in this video? So, from the process, we can identify the hazard. First, not use face mask. Second, does not follow SOP. Third, do not use hearing protection to protect ear. And lastly, not wear safety shoes. So, in order to protect the operation, we should carry out the risk assessment or risk analysis. From safety data sheet handling machine, we know that machine can cause injury whether minor or major. So the formula is severity multiplied by likelihood of harm. Based on the table guide severity rating table, it is rating 4 because can cause serious body injury. Then we look table likelihood. The rating is 2 because it has been known to occur after many years. So 4 times 2 equal 8. The rating of 8 for the risk mean medium risk. Medium risk require a plan to control the hazard and apply temporary measure. So this is the SOP or work instruction to handle machine, and this is equipment that we need to use. This is other machine that called milling machine. This is automatic. This is a safe or follow rule to use this machine. To have safety workplace, we should identify the hazard and practice the action plan. That's all for us. Thank you.